Hello dear students, welcome to Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Open University video lessons in Library and Information Science for MLISC, that is course 2 Library Automation and Networking. The present topic is about the software for university libraries, that is SOL, and the session now we are dealing with some of the core modules, that is circulation control and the serials management and the online public access catalog and also the administrative functions which we need to carry out in automation. Circulation module and sub modules. Circulation is very essential here to render our services, library services to the users, library users. And this circulation module is designed in such a way that NISOC circulation and interchange protocol version 2.0 and SIP2 protocol is compatible to this, and ensuring the efficient electronic surveillance and RFID integration and everything to provide the security and also the check-in check-out operations automatically. These submodules, SOL submodules indicate the membership, transactions, interlibrary loan and maintenance. They are the core functions of the circulation modules. The new members need to enter their personal details, contact information, photo they have to upload and also the payment details. As these initial steps will be entered in the administrative modules only. In that, general master will be, institute details will be there, that is library details, institution details and library details, and in that again masters, circulation master will be defining the pattern category or pattern type, that is member type, library members type. Type means that whether they are faculty, whether they are research scholars, whether they are whether they are students or staff of the library or staff of the institution. So, these kind of categories have to be essentially created there, and depending upon the policy they have to define how many books can be lent to them, how many days they can keep for this. These kind of features have to be entered in the administrative setup itself. Once they are set up, then this circulation operations will be automatically carried out by the client at the client devices. Submin is for such number. Actually, the membership can be searched here, and this new member, if he is a new member, that can be entered. The pulling down the type of the member, and as soon as if we fix that he is a student, immediately his eligibility criteria will be limited, and whether he can be fined, how many days he can keep it for the loan period, and all these things will be preset in the administrative module. So, all these things will be applicable. Only thing we have to at the circulation desk, one new member has to be entered with his personal details and then will be carried out. This module will be featuring the membership cards, members list and also no certificates, how to how many people have taken no dues, and all these things can be maintained a membership register. The circulation functionalities usually will be a transaction process of the material, that is checkouts and returns of the library material, basically books issue and returns. And book bank issue, there will be some university libraries, some college libraries will have book funds, and they are specially treated collection, and they will be special, they will have a special category of issue returns and group issue returns. Sometimes in the project members, group members, they will be a different kind of issue returns will be there, and here member login and logout facilities also will be there. And circulation also will have a responsibility to undertake the stock verification lists and all will be generated basing on the circulation lists and all. The books stack lists will be maintained and they will be given there. and how many are on loan and how many are on the shelf. All these lists can be generated from this data available in the circulation. And interlibrary loan facility will enable the libraries to borrow or lend the items between the different libraries to expand the resources availability. Suppose if we are borrowing only from our university library, we will be borrowing only our collection. Suppose if we look at the OPAC of other university libraries, and if we can make a list, we will be expanding our resources. Transaction records for issue, return, renew items, reserve items with accession number and member code. Items on ILL list will be there. Change, and also in circulation only we can change the status of the items as suppose if they are lost in or if they damaged, or if it is a bindery, this missing and withdrawn. All these operations can be carried out from the circulation desk, because the books, the damaged books will be sent to, or soiled books will be sent to bindery only from here, and the missing and withdrawn. Suppose if they are missing from the stock verification, if it is weeded out or withdrawn books, all these can be status changes can be done here only. So, the module is configured in such a way that these things are carried, these functionalities are carried out only through circulation module. So, the overdue charges and their payments will be also noted here. Circulation functionalities can be seen in the screenshot providing here. Next important function of the SOL is serial control, or any library automation software, especially SOL. SOL has taken utmost care in maintaining the serials in the library, that is because it is a complex task of the library. SOL 3.0 module helps librarian to maintain accurate bibliographic records and also holdings, manage the subscriptions and renewals, and tracking the serials receipts, generate overdue non-receipt reminders, and binding operations. After completely receiving the journal issues, the binding operations will be initiated and the binding accessioning will be there for bound volumes of the serials. The serials module will be like that. The serials also will have the Mark 21 entry edit, which will be the serials bibliographic format also will be created in the administration module only. The requiring fields, based on the suggestions, they will be placing the serial order, subscription orders depending upon the availability of the budgets. Again these budgets and vendors will be again drawn from the administrative modules only, because there only these vendors, budgets, currencies will be, and even frequencies will be created in the administrative modules. The titles will be created, title and records will be created using the Mark 21 formats, and the suggestions, subscriptions, payment, check-in, commercial binding, in-house binding, all these functionalities will be loaded in the serial control module. So, the main entry components of the essential components of the serial control will be the main entry, that is leader, that is fixed fields, title statement, current publication, frequency, that is the main entry. Location will be 852 tag, that is shelving location or department, or all these will be in 852 tag, supports all this data. The optional entries will be subject added entries or keywords. Suppose if it is a online journal or any electronic resource, we have to use the tag 856 to reach the digital document of the journal, and also any digitized document also. Digitized journal or any digitized collection will be there, then URL will support us user to reach the document and also download the record. These records are editable. We can select the record, we can retrieve the record for editing, the range of records for editing. The articles indexing facility will be available in here in indexing the articles within the serials for easy retrieval. Reports generation will be there, including the title reports, holding reports, etc. SOL serial control components will be shown in the screenshot. SOL OPAC. SOL OPAC is a powerful tool for users to access and manage the bibliographic data here. It supports client server application model, and Web OPAC is on campus intranet or anywhere outside also via internet using the URL of the OPAC, institutional URL of the OPAC. OPAC offers a simple Boolean search, advanced Boolean search operations, free text search, and also browsing facility. It supports the search of the items currently in the acquisition within the library. It displays and facilitates the download of the records. Users can download the records in multiple formats like Excel, PDF, Mark XML, facilitating the efficient record management. It allows the export of the records also. The full text or the abstract of the digital documents can be accessed through direct links or URL. MOPAC is developed by the InfluBNet Center, and it is available in the Google Play Store for installation in their mobile devices. It can be configured through the OPAC of the institution. It is designed both for the registered and non-registered users, but the institutional access and will be only limited to the registered users only, but others can also view their OPAC of other libraries. This mobile applications is providing almost all the features of the Web OPAC. Administrative module will be basically operated for the user management and also system setup, and also Web OPAC and software updates. And by using the system, the user management means they can create the groups and groups of users, and depending upon their statistical transactional rights over the systems and levels of security, and assigning the passwords and user settings, system parameters, and configuring the various templates required for the cataloging entry, and also email, institutional labels, email, etc. Web OPAC configurations will be there, and software updates to check and manage the software, and masters will be there for every supporting the every module of the SOL, and it is a centralized location for managing the fundamental data of each module, such as library categories, item types, currencies, budgets, vendors, and other essential common information across the system and sub-modules. Data entry templates also for various types of items, and this is the administration module. You can see in the screenshot. This is how we create that. The basic, the fundamental point of the SOL is they provide constant support to the institutions. They are bringing out different versions, updations, and they provide support to the while installation, and regular software updates they will be providing. Email correspondence also they will be responding. Customer care will be there. They have provided excellent video tutorials on YouTube and also on the website explaining the stepwise process for the setup, each operation in each module. So, this is how the InfluBNet has designed the SOL software suitable to the functionalities of the universities and college libraries system in India. So, this is the great support providing to the college and university libraries by the InfluBNet. I can say this is an excellent version, and after launching this SOL software by the InfluBNet, many college libraries, many university libraries, and even school libraries are coming forward, and their number has grown enormously. Almost every system, every academic library is following this and utilizing the software. This is which is an affordable and technically competent and easier to implement in their library. So, thank you.